Welcome to In My Element. Today we are installing the Yokohama Geolander At4s. The size that we went with is a 235/70/16 tires, and this is the exact same tire that I was running previously, just the newer upgraded version. So I'm super excited to put them to the test, and we're gonna let you know if it's worth your money to go with the Yokohama Geolanders. Huge shout out to Yokohama for sponsoring this video, but more on that later.
Ready for your new tires?
Yeah, dude, I'm pumped.
I said the Yokohamas are good, so I think you'll like them.
Hell yeah, dude. Thank you for the hookup, man.
No problem. Yeah. Yokohama wanted to work together with you, so he knows you're a big part of the Element community.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it should be fun.
So we got TPM parts here, hooked it up. Mike True in the house, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So here we got the old set, the Yokohama Geolanders, and you can see we've worn through these bad boys. And comment on the cracks of my sidewalls.
Oh my gosh, dude. These are just about ready to get replaced.
You think so?
Yeah, I think you came in at the right time with the fresh tires. So we'll get you right. How many miles did you end up putting on these things?
I don't know. I bought them with the car.
Gotcha.
So
They've been on there for quite some time.
they've served their purpose for sure.
Most def.
These ones are rough.
Yeah, these ones are. Dude, the dry rotting is what's wild. Like, look at this. This is so sketchy.
It's been a long time with these tires. These are like 6 years old.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're manufactured in 2019, so they've almost got just about 7 years on them.
Yeah.
All nearly. I think you came in at the right time.
Yep. Definitely. You're wearing the perfect shirt today.
Dude, yeah,
Thank
worked out.
Smart.
Like, got a rep. I mean, high key my favorite tire, so.
Yeah, I love these tires on my car, so I'm not mad at all.
Slide this thing on. Cool. We'll get this old rubber off. And I think we should probably change out your valve stems too.
All right.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Let me grab some new ones.
When you're off-roading, you usually just drop the pressure, right?
Yeah, usually, to get more traction on the dirt, you would be lowering your pressures quite a bit. Like, that's why people do bead locks on the off-road stuff, so that they can have extremely low pressures without the tire coming off the bead. I've had a couple customers that air down for the trails and then forget to air up and then completely destroy the tire, like just rolling down the street at like 40 miles an hour or whatever. I'm
That's
just like,
crazy.
they're like, yeah, I forgot to air up. I'm like, yeah, it looks like it. I'm like, this tire is tore up.
So without bead locks, how low would you drop the pressure safely, you think?
Like off-roading,
Like an Element.
I've seen people go down to like, 14, 15 PSI if it's slow crawl stuff. But if you're going to be moving at like speed, like 20, 25 miles an hour, probably you want to stay like at least above like 20 to 25, like somewhere between 20 and 25 PSI. And then of course, if you're going to be on the road going highway speed, you want to go to those door pressures. And I think like on the Element, it's like, so I think it's like mid 30s.
Yeah, it's like 32, 34 or something like
cold.
that.
And then, it'll like the max pressure on the tire. A lot of tires say like 50 PSI max or whatever. That's also cold pressure. So it does account for a little bit of fluctuation when the tire heats up and the pressures increase.
Right.
Yeah.
It's good to know. Well, I've been running this tire on my Element already.
Okay.
And I've absolutely love it. I've never had a better tire. I was running the Nexans for a while on the blue one, but I definitely like the ride quality of the Geolanders better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, and I really like Yokohama quality is really good stuff. Like the price point for the tire that you get, it usually will run you a little bit less than like the Continental or the Michelin, maybe a little bit more than like the Falcon, but just the sidewall construction, it's a bit softer. The tread and then the rubber that they use is also a bit, it feels like the composition's a bit softer, so it gives a nicer road feel. The silica makeup on the tire is really good for wet as well. So it's got good grip in the wet, decent grip in the dry, and it's pretty comfortable for like a on-road, off-road tire. 235/70/16.
That's gonna look good, man. I'm excited.
Yeah. And then we doing white lettering out or black lettering out?
We want to do white lettering.
White lettering out? You got it. We'll get this thing on. Pop it up. In.
Yep.
We'll get this thing balanced out. 5.5. Give her a spin. One and 125.
So here you're balancing the tire, is that right?
Yeah. So we're just looking for the weights that it's asking for. It wants 1.0 and then 1.25.
What is like the importance of balancing the wheel?
Oh, it prevents a lot of vibration, especially at highway speeds. So a lot of people will come in thinking that there's like a problem with their suspension or something, but really because they're getting a shake in the wheel at higher speeds, and then it ends up being that like either a wheel weight might have fallen off or the balance from the last place that did the balance wasn't spot on. So then once it gets up to like 60, 65 miles an hour, you'll notice like a shake or a vibration in the wheel. Or if it's in the back tires or the back wheels, you'll feel it more in the seat usually.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, that's why we want to make sure that these things leave the shop balanced.
But typically wheels are, once they're balanced, they'll stay in balance unless something falls off.
Yeah, either a weight will fall off, if you bend a wheel, it'll go off balance, and then also over time of just tire wear, because tires don't wear like 100% true.
Right,
like,
okay.
So as the tire starts to lose rubber while you drive it, eventually it'll go off balance. And you might notice it, you might not. I typically don't notice it too much. Usually after track days I will notice it, like especially if I lock up brakes or whatever. Maybe I flat spotted a tire or something like that, but usually when I throw it onto a balancer, it will still also be a little bit off balance as well.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Brother, dude, thanks for the hookup.
Yeah, dude. Always good to see you.
Can you tell us a little bit about your shop, where you're at?
We're at True Performance Motorsport. Yep, short TPM parts. We are a race tire distributor, and we take care of a lot of the club racing series around the U.S. We also do brakes, tires, suspension, and safety products.
And where are you located?
We're in Santa Ana, California, in Orange County.
Nice. Are you ready to start serving the Honda Element community?
We're willing to take care of you guys. We're always about our friends and family. So.
Okay, sick, man. Well, dude, thank you so much. I'm super excited to get the new versions of these tires on and kind of give a comparison to how the old ones work. 'Cause I loved the old ones. They're awesome tires. Like no road noise, anything like that. They just worked great. So I'm really excited to get the new ones on. So thank you. Huge shout out to Yokohama and a huge shout out to TPM Motorsports. So if you guys are in the SoCal area and you need tires for your Honda Element, definitely hit up Mike. He'll hook you up. How long have you guys been in business?
So I started this place in 2018, and yeah, we've been going 8 years strong now.
Sick, dude. Congrats.
Thanks,
That's amazing. And you guys have like a racing driving school, is that right?
Yeah, so we have TPM Academy is what I call it.
Okay.
So it's for our customer base to kind of give back to our customers and also bring more people into the world of wheel-to-wheel racing. Since everybody does a lot of time attack, track days, we kind of give them like a ladder system to get all the way up to wheel-to-wheel. We go fitness, sim racing, and then we go up to track days, up to time attack and also wheel to wheel after that. Paul's doing the install right now.
Dude, big shout out to Paul. You're the man.
Paul's awesome.
When are we gonna have like an off-road driving school from TPM?
Well, with these tires, you're gonna be able to do it, right?
Yeah.
Since Yokohama makes like a really good all-terrain that's good for street and for off-roading.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be able to do both pretty well.
Dude, I'm super excited to take these to the desert or something and see how they feel. So make sure you guys stay till the very end because we're gonna put these tires to the test. We just got the alignment done here at D&A Wheels. These guys were super legit, so yeah, if you want to get your alignment done, you come to D&A Wheels. They hooked it up big time.